Hi everybody, and welcome to a new craft video. Father's Day is right around the corner, and today I will share with you how to make this cool superhero shadow box for your daddy. It is so cute and easy to make. So let's get started. You'll need a shadow box, some Lego figurines. I picked Hulk, Captain America, Wolverine, and Iron Man. Wooden Scrabble letters to spell daddy and hero. A black marker, your favorite photo with your daddy, and hot glue. This part is optional, but I wanted to personalize the background of my shadow box with watercolor painting. I used my daddy's favorite colors, blue and yellow. I have created different patterns to make it prettier. Print out and glue your favorite photo with your dad. Time to write. You can trace subtle lines with a pencil to help you. Erase all the pencil lines once you're done writing. Place the letters and Lego figurines and attach them with hot glue. My daddy is stronger than Hulk, tougher than Wolverine, smarter than Iron Man, braver than Captain America. He is my hero. And we're done. I'm sure your daddy will love it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time.